Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how to create a virtual device in Android Studio. Whether you are a beginner or have some experience, this video will guide you through the process of setting up an emulator, so you can test your Android apps directly on your PC without needing a physical device. Follow along carefully to make it work perfectly. First, open Android Studio on your computer. Next, locate the three-line menu at the top left corner and click on it. Then select Tools from the sidebar and choose Device Manager from the drop-down options. After that, click on the plus icon and select Create Virtual Device. Next, choose the type of device you want to emulate, such as Pixel 9 Pro XL, and click Next. Select the system image if prompted, and then click Finish. Your new virtual device will appear in the Device Manager. Finally, click on the Start icon, and your virtual device will boot up, ready for testing your apps, just like a real Android phone. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends who want to learn Android development. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.